Hi, Kayaking Archer here. I'll let you admire my handiwork. This is an old SF string that the end servings had kind of been chewed through, and they were down to bare string. So I needed to do something. Well, I had some BCY Power Grip serving thread. So I just knotted it on there, served it over the old, and then glued it down at the ends, and then put my little duct tape, fancy little duct tape endings on there. So it's a 5-year-old string, but right now it's my only functional string. We'll see how it works. Yeah. What I used, just some old Elmer's glue. Like I said, the BCY Power Grip. I did try the melt the string at the ends thing. That didn't work so well. So anyways, good little pair of scissors. And I've got blue fingertips from the string, apparently. So anyways, I'll let you know how it goes. Peace out.